Check it out, with OBD-II scanner I was able to find mileage record of 533,000 kilometers, even though when you look on dashboard it says 361,000 kilometers. You can use the ThinkDiag2 or any other scanner that can read data from multiple units, so not only engine but all control modules, to find out if your car has real mileage or not. Okay, so how do we do that? First let me plug in my scanner. By the way, if you want to grab one of these, the link will be in the description. You need to plug it to your OBD-II port, which is under dashboard. Don't forget to turn on the ignition so the scanner is able to communicate with your car. So we can see the car has 360,000 kilometers, and we will find out if that is true or not. Let's go to all system diagnostics. The scanner will decode the VIN number automatically. Now, for this method, we will be checking live data in multiple control modules. The most common ones where you can find mileage data will be engine, transmission, if automatic transmission, ABS, telematics control unit, and some of other control modules as well. So what you need to do to determine the real mileage or to find any proof of odometer being rolled back, you will have to check live data in all control modules and look for data like distance driven, control module distance driven, total mileage. Every car brand can have different name for this data. So let's start with the engine. Now you want to find read live data or read data stream, which is this one. Most of the scanners will allow you to search by name, and let's try inputting in distance. And we have vehicle distance driven and control module distance driven. Let's pull out those. Now you can see that engine control module thinks that mileage is 360,000, same like on the odometer. However, if we look at control module distance driven, we can see that we have 533 million of meters. So the control module was driven. If we convert this to kilometers, it is 533,000 kilometers. So that is almost 200,000 kilometers difference. So already first control module, and we already got proof that someone rolled back the odometer for at least 200,000 kilometers. Now let's say I didn't find any proof in engine control module. What I would have to do is go to every control module one by one. For example, brake electronics. Look also if there is some mileage data or not. Every car is different and every car can store mileage data in different control modules. That's why you have to go through all of them. If you want to get better at car diagnostics, join my email community. You will get advanced tips and also my OBD-II course completely for free. Link is in description. Go join.